Yeah, I had a question about Dantian. How do you explain kind of a progressive way to train so that first you are aware of the Dantian and then how you can use it to
Yeah.
apply power?
Everything you have to aware of it before you can control it. Okay, when I talk, a lot of people don't think about the feeling. Every time when I talk, my stomach muscle is squeezing. Otherwise, I won't make any sound up. Okay, understand? That we call dantian, right here. Okay, that muscle. Whenever I talk something or do something, I have to use my stomach muscle squeeze. Okay. That is the energy produced from the center of the body. Okay. Look like my hand punch you, okay? Look like my hand come from the shoulder of my body. But actually, the source of the power comes from Dante. That is the main source, okay? There's anything you want to develop, you have to feel for it first. If you don't feel it, and you cannot control it, you cannot develop it. Just like what I'm talking about last time, the vibration. Okay? If you don't feel your own vibration, you won't be able to control it. Okay? The vibration, everybody have it. Do you feel it? You see like that, you already have the vibration. But you don't feel it, you don't aware of it. But if you think about it, you feel it, you can control it much better. Then your Wing Chun will be improved a lot. Now think about it. I want you guys touch your finger, that touch, the very touch. Okay, do you feel the tingling? Okay, you feel the touching point like jumping, shaking. Okay, that is called vibration. Alright, can you feel that on your fingertip? Any more coming? Okay, come on. Do you feel it? Alright, now that's a very sensitive part, only 2 fingers. Now, can you feel, I'm touching myself, do you feel the vibration of the touching point? Do you?
Yes.
Tell me the truth. Okay. Now, this one, that is foundation, what we develop in sticky hand. Whenever I touch you, that moment I feel myself and feel you. No matter how heavy I touch you, that vibration is there. Mostly when you touch harder, then you don't feel it. Because why? Because you are using muscles. You are not using sensitivities anymore. Because your muscle pushing. Now you don't feel the vibration. But you think I'm just touch you, I'm not pushing you. Now you can feel the vibration. That's what you have to learn in sticky hand. First thing, how to feel the touching point.
So I still wanted to know, how do you get the control part? So in the Dantian, how do you get the control there? How do you get the control more of the vibration?
That becomes a supernova force function. Alright? Now for example, the ball here, the first ball is a stand. The second ball is the body. The third ball is the hand. Okay. Now each one, because the bottom ball, the football is already touch the ground. How I bounce the ball up doesn't mean you can feel the whole body bounce off. No. You can feel the power bounce off, not the body. The body is still connected to the ball. How I feel this? The body force had to push, then we squeeze in, and then the stand and squeeze back out. That force will squeeze together. That causes supernova function. I'm not talking supernova structure, okay? Supernova function. Just now what you learn. You learn, watch me how to drink the bottled water. Can you pay attention how I hold it? See this small fine line, you know, look at my little pinky supporting the bottle here. And then I'm holding here. I'm not holding here. How come I hold like that? Like I will lose it. If I hold like that, I'm securing it. See, this small thing, you pay attention, you learn something. Learn how to hold the cup, that's it. I drink like that, never lose it. When I hold the stick in the Wing Chun, the long pole, for example. Long pole. If you hold like that, you will lose it. See, a long pole, I'm holding like this. I'm supporting it. I'll never lose the stick. Last time we talked about ceiling top. Now let's go a little bit about punches first. A lot of people, they do boom, boom, boom. That motion look good, look strong, but they don't have the starting point and ending point. Why? Because when they punch, they're not totally relaxed. You take it tight. Now look at it, look at my punch, okay? Boom, I punch, I finish it. Am I finished? I look at my muscles so tight. Okay, when I finish, like that called relax. That equal tight. From tightness, see how much I can relax? From tight, every time, boom, I stop, but I'm tightening. I'm not totally finished. Totally finished like this. See my muscle, that called relax. Each time I punch, boom, boom, that is relaxed. You have to pay attention on those small things. Then you really know how to generate power. Every power has the opposite force. Okay? When I snap the nunchaku, boom, like that, I have to snap both ends. Then get the power. Snap the power out. If I just snap one side, the nunchaku won't have any power. It's just by pulling. Doesn't help. That's why the punch. I go punch this way. My body, that's why I develop square body. Square body. When I punch, the square body pulling back. If I don't have the square body, I punch like this. The punch weak. But if I punch a square body, the punch strong. I can snap the power out. That's why the square body important. The square body is have the opposite force to let the power shoot out. Everything has opposite force. Right? When I touch a person, the person coming to me, I have to have opposite force with him to equalize him. If you don't have the opposite force, then he push, boom, I will go back. If he come in, I have opposite force with him, I will stop right there. That's opposite force, yin and yang concept. How you get the opposite force? So good. It's control your vibration. I show one example. Let's see. Tony, come here. I like to use him. Now, if in sticky hand in this side, okay? If the hand here, so natural, okay? Now from here, how come I touch on top like this? I use for self position. I don't use this because I'm on top, or I'm in the bottom, on top here, on the down here, okay? On the top here, same thing. I'm on top. I focus out like this. And for him, he do bounce out in the bottom. That's why he had to lose too, in order to feel the vibration. Now, feel vibration now. I feel that now. If I push it a little more, you feel better. Now you feel the vibration.
Yes.
Yeah. That vibration, if you can control the vibration, no one can make you move. Okay. Now from here, sticky hand. Each time I touch vibration, control it. You're moving. Come.
This is vibrating.
Yeah, right. Like that. That means whatever I touch, yeah, the vibration you control. No one can make you move. That's the way you have developed. That's skill. Okay, I'll see you next time.